Hey guys, so welcome to today's lesson, surface area using nets. So this is a pretty simple concept. You have a three-dimensional object, right? You want to find the surface area for every single part of this object. Okay, so I picked a cube. So how do I find the surface area? Well, when I unpack the cube, yeah? So if I take the cube and I break it apart, yes, I know it's not perfect, but I'm doing my best. But anyway, I take the cube and I break it apart. I'm left with a net. It's like I'm unfolding a box, right? Now I tell you that this is 4 and that this is 4. Yeah? And I tell you find the surface area of this cube. Yeah? You need to find the surface area of every single shape. That's all. Now, if this is a cube, all of its components are boxes. Yeah? Boxes have the same length as they do width. So everything here is going to be a 4. All you have to do is multiply. Okay, 4 times 4, 16, 16, 16, 16, 16, 16, and now you can add them all up. Add them all up. Or I can just do 16 times 6. That's going to be 36, 6. All right, 96. That's my total answer. The surface area of a cube, of this cube, is going to be 96. Let's try using another shape. Okay, let's say that in this situation, I'm taking a pyramid. Alright, I'm going to take a pyramid and I'm going to go ahead and deconstruct it. When I have the net for my pyramid, I'm left with the base, okay, and the 4 sides of my pyramid, which is, once again, kind of like a box that I just folded down. Alright, now they're telling me that the height of each one of my triangles, let's imagine that the height is 5 and the base is 4. Now, even if they just give me this information, this is enough. This is a square pyramid. So if this side is going to be 4, then that side's 4 as well. If I want to find the area of my square at the bottom, 4 times 4, 16. Now, remember the formula for the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So here, my base is 4 times my height of 5 divided by 2. 4 times 5 is 20, divided by 2 is 10. So each one of these triangles has an area of 10. So now I can just add it all together. 10, 10, 10, 10, and 16. If I add all of these together, I get 56. The surface area of this pyramid is 56. Easy peasy. Let me move on to something else. Let's say that I have a net. Let's say that I have a net that looks kind of like this. Let's say that I'm unpacking a rectangular prism and I give you a net that looks like this. Now in this case, my side length here is 8 and this is 4. Yeah? Think about this. You just took a rectangular prism and you unpacked it. You unpacked it and you got this net here. Alright, well if this is 8 and this is 4, 8 times 4 is going to be 32. All of these rectangles are going to be 32, but the squares are going to be different. If the short side here is a 4, then each part of my square will also be a 4. Well, 4 times 4 is my trusty 16. I'm using that a lot. It has 2 16s. Alright, well, let's try to make this work. 16 plus 16, well, that's going to be 32, and then I have 4 more 32s to add. And I just add those all up. This is going to be 4, 8, 10. And then I have 6, 12, 15, and 16. So 160. The surface area is 160. You might get a few more examples that are more complicated than this, but the basic idea is still really, really simple. Whenever you have a net and you're calculating surface area, whatever shapes you get in the net, yeah, All you have to do is find the area of each of them and then add it all up. That's all. All right, folks. Bye.